Jai Gudev and good morning everyone. Students, today in the business studies class, I am taking the new chapter, that is the private, public and global enterprise. Students, in the previous chapter you have studied about the different forms of business organization, but today we are starting the public, private and global enterprise. Enterprise, enterprise means it is a form of business organization. That means if the person wants to do a business, so he can choose any form of organization, any form of enterprise. So today we are discussing the private, public and global enterprise. Private, public and global enterprise means there are different enterprises. Like private enterprises means it is an enterprise which is run by the private persons or the individual person. इसमें गवर्नमेंट का कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता. दैट मीन्स द प्राइवेट पर्सन्स कैन इंडिविजुअली or in collectively also they can start their own enterprise, they can start their business. So it is known as private enterprise. And public enterprise means it is totally under the control of government. That is, it is controlled, managed and run by the government. Global enterprise, that is the enterprises which are outside the country. When we are having trading relation with other countries, so now our countries also become the global. So today in this chapter we are discussing about the private, public and the global enterprise. Means private sector industries plus public sector industries and the global industries. Students, in you have seen in your locality or in your neighborhood also that the different forms of business organizations are there. That some people are doing the sole tradership work, some are doing the partnership works, and you have seen that there are retail traders also. So there are different business forms of organization, and there are the organization also which are run and totally managed by the government. Those organizations are known as public sector undertakings. Means वो organizations, वो institutions या वो कंपनीज जो कि गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा चलाई जाती हैं, गवर्नमेंट की कंपनीज होती हैं, दे आर नोन एज पब्लिक एंटरप्राइजेस. And the organization which are run by the individual person or the private persons are known as private enterprises. So students, our Indian economy is having the different mixed, there is a mixture of both. That is the public sector undertaking as well as the private sector undertaking, and that is why our economy is known as a mixed economy. मिक्स इकोनॉमी का मतलब है कि जिसमें दोनों ही सेक्टर्स आपस में मिलकर के काम करते हैं. You know student that previously all the industrial activities, all the production work are only in the hands of the government. That is, only the public sector undertakings are there. But when the introduction of new economic policy, that is in 1991. 1991 में जब न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी आई थी, दैट इज इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ एलपीजी. एलपीजी, यू नो दैट लिबरलाइजेशन, प्राइवेटाइजेशन एंड ग्लोबलाइजेशन. Liberalization means that become freedom, to be freedom from the restrictions. That is, we become liberal from the rules and regulations set by the government. पहले जो जितनी भी प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटीज गवर्नमेंट के कंट्रोल में थी, मीन्स प्रोडक्शन सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट ही कर सकती थी. नाउ द प्राइवेट सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज ऑल्सो केम एंड दे कैन स्टार्ट द प्रोडक्शन. दैट मीन्स मेनी थिंग्स विच आर under the restriction, which are under the rules and regulations, now it become free, it become liberal. लिबरलाइजेशन होने से कई चीज़ें जो कि सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट ही प्रोड्यूस कर सकती थी, अब उनको प्राइवेट सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज भी प्रोड्यूस कर रही है. एंड व्हेन द privatization came, so many private sector industries came in our economy. And then globalization, you know students, that when we are having the mixed economy, so we need the participation of other countries also. That is, export and import we needed, because the goods, some of the goods which are in excess in our country and some of the goods which are deficient in our country. तो जो चीज़ें हमारे यहाँ नहीं होती थी, हम उनको बाहर से इम्पोर्ट करते थे, और जो चीज़ें हमारे पास एक्सेस होती थी हम एक्सपोर्ट करते थे. And because of that the globalization came. So students, now you can understand that what is public company, what is private company, and what is the global enterprise. That is, we are having different types of enterprises in our economy. That is the private enterprises, public enterprises and global enterprises. So I am going to tell you this with the help of this chart, that in Indian economy, हमारी जो इंडिया की जो इकोनॉमी है, that is mixed economy. मिक्स इकोनॉमी का मतलब कि वी आर हैविंग पब्लिक सेक्टर एज वेल एज प्राइवेट सेक्टर. हमारे पास दोनों ही सेक्टर्स आपस में वर्क कर रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट ही प्रोडक्शन कर रही है. नाउ डेज वी आर हैविंग प्राइवेट सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज ऑल्सो, एंड without the help of private sector industries it is not possible to get the development of the country, to the progress of the country. We need the private sector also. So our Indian economy is divided into two sectors, that is the public sector and the private sector. इन पब्लिक सेक्टर मीन्स गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर, वो सारी इंडस्ट्रीज जो कि गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा चलाई जाती हैं, दे आर कमिंग इन पब्लिक सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज. दीज पब्लिक सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज आर ऑल्सो थ्री टाइप, दैट इज डिपार्टमेंटल अंडरटेकिंग, जो कि टोटली गवर्नमेंट की अंडरटेकिंग कहलाती है, गवर्नमेंट के कंट्रोल में. सेकेंड इज स्टैट्यूटरी कॉर्पोरेशन एंड थर्ड इज द गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज. So in public sector industries, three types of enterprises or the three types of companies are coming. That is departmental undertaking, government companies and statutory corporation. And in private sector also, when the private sector is also doing the industrialization work, production work, so in private sector we are having different forms of business organization. स्टूडेंट्स ये सब आपने प्रीवियस चैप्टर में पढ़ा होगा, दैट यू हैव स्टडीड द डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. दैट इन द प्राइवेट सेक्टर यू आर हैविंग द सोल ट्रेडरशिप फर्म, पार्टनरशिप फर्म, जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली बिजनेस, cooperative society and company. Company, you know, there is joint stock company is divided into two categories, that is a private company or the public company. And then not only not the least but the multinational corporation, that is we are having different types of private sector industries in our economy: sole tradership, partnership, joint Hindu family, cooperative society, then joint stock company and the multinational corporation. दैट इज ये सारी जो भी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, ये सब जो है वो पब्लिक प्राइवेट सेक्टर के अंदर में आती हैं, प्राइवेट सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज कहलाती हैं. एंड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग्स, पब्लिक सेक्टर एंटरप्राइजेस, so we are having three types of companies, that is departmental undertaking, then statutory corporation and the government companies. स्टूडेंट्स, आपने जैसे पहले आपने ये प्राइवेट सेक्टर के बारे में तो डिटेल में आपने प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स में पढ़ा ही है और आपको क्लियर भी है कि व्हाट आर द मेरिट्स, डिमेरिट्स एंड द फीचर्स ऑफ these different forms of business organization run by the private sector. Now in this chapter we are giving more emphasis, more focus on the public company. Public company, you know that the public company is the company which is under the control of government, which is run by the government. And in that public company we are having three types of companies, that is the first is departmental undertaking, statutory corporation and the government companies. So first of all I am going to explain you about the departmental undertaking.